Hello everyone, my name is Albert Ilzolituri. Today I'd like to share with you a little about client and server sockets and what they are and how they work. So first off, let's just do what they are. Just talk about what they are. A client and server is a program relationship in which one program requests a service or resource from another program. Client and server model can be used by programs within a single computer. The client establishes a connection to a server over the internet. Once the server has fulfilled the client's request, the connection is terminated. The client program and the server programs are often part of a large program or app. The reason is because multiple client programs share the services of the same server, which I will explain a little bit later. The server side blocks the designated port and waits for the client to connect. When the client finally connects to the server, and the client then can exchange information. Once the client and server close their connection, then the port will be free for others to use. Servers can be on any port between 0 and 65,535. There are exceptions because some are reserved for other use, but just be sure to check the port you want to use. Sockets, pretty much socket is one endpoint to a two-way connection. And here's my example. I have two, but I like this one, so I'm going to share it with you. So this is the server class. Right here, it's going to listen and check to see if port 9090 is open. If it's true, then the listener will accept it, and it will print out that it's open. Here's the client. It's the client class with the main method with the server address. So it will it'll display a dialog box that says enter IP address of the machine that is running on port 9090, and it'll send it back to the server using socket, and then it will read the line. And we will see what happens. Well, you'll see that it will go through, and you can request the connection to your IP on that server so that it can be used. So you can exchange information. And this is my example of a messenger application that requests from the client to connect to the server so that they can create a chat. So let's proceed so you can see the example. And like I said, you can use any port between 0 and 65,535. But once you terminate that connection, it's gone so that other people can use it. So here, this is the messenger client, and I'm going to enter my IP address. Yeah, it's already in use. That makes sense. So I don't know why it's not. Sorry. Chessr is running. Okay. And I'm getting this error. Let's try this again. Sorry. Huh. It was working just a second ago. Let's see. Oh, actually, I think it's because I already entered that. Let's see. Oops. Let me just check really quick. Well, it is not working at this moment. I apologize for that. But I'll have to figure that out. Well, I wonder what happened. But pretty much what was important is that these connect, and how you can request a connection between the client and the server. So just so you know, if it would have worked, you would enter your IP address. You can do multiple using the IP address. You can do multiple, and you enter an IP address. You can do multiple. People can be on this chat talking on the port 9090, and it would ask you, once entering, it would ask you for your name, so you can display your name. Using this right here, up here, you would send your text, press enter, and it would work, and it would send it to the server, and it would send it between clients so that you can have a messenger. But that is my presentation, my short presentation on client server sockets. Thank you. Bye.